Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Sri Gopal Dham by JNV Infrastructure located in Kandivali. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. This over here is the actual land parcel. Also, you can see the project is located right opposite to Kandivali metro station. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.5 acre that will have one tower with 2 wings of ground plus 37 story, having 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences. Also duplex and penthouse options are available. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Mahavir Nagar of Link Road, Kandivali West, from where Kandivali railway station is at a distance of 10 minutes, Kandivali Metro is at a distance of 1 minute, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 15 minutes from the project, and you have school, colleges, hospital within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. Talking about the amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, garden area, senior citizen area, multi-purpose court, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configurations and carpet area, as said, this project has 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences with 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1153 to 1477 square feet and 4 BHK in the carpet area of 1883 square feet. Also, duplex and penthouse options are available, and for more details like pricing and brochure, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. Talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 10% of the agreement value. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Sri Gopal Dham by JNV Infrastructure located in Kandivali West.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.